Heading out on our own with our hope in the clouds, and we're starting to see that we're onto something. Feel it coming, we'll keep running, nothing in our way.
Happy first birthday, Avery, our little princess. You are our unexpected blessing.
Evie, happy birthday, first birthday. Welcome to the Christian world.
We got what it takes. Here we go. All we need is an open road and a chance to see a never-ending world that's beautiful.
Sumayin niyo ang Panginoon. Mga kapatid, tayo nagagalak na magkatipon-tipon sa pagdiriwang na ito para sa mga sanggol na magiging kaanib ng ating sambayanang Kristiyano.
Where the adventure begins.
Avery Kate, ika'y binibinyagan ko sa ngalan ng Ama at ng Anak at ng Espiritu Santo. Amen.
Every step, writing stories that seek to be read, taking hold of the moment as we discover.
You made everything so easy. You're easy to take care of. You are not a crybaby, and you always make us smile every day.
Here we go. All we need is an open road and a chance to see a never-ending world that's beautiful.
Maging mabait ka lang lagi. Stay happy.
Thank you so much for coming, sweetheart. I can't wait for all the exciting years to come, and know that we always love you.
Adventure begins. Here we go.
Ang wish ko para sa'yo ay lumaki kang matatag, malakas sa loob, at may takot sa Diyos. And put God in the center of everything. Okay? Happy birthday.
And may your future be bright as your smile. Thank you so much. I love you, and I wish you a happy first birthday.
Here we go. All we need